Hello everyone, today we'll work with our middle splits and how to stretch for that. Stay with me and we will get started. So first exercise which we will do, we will work with our legs. So we will try and pushing our legs and relax. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fix our legs and stay. Let's try take and stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that we work with our body. We slowly pushing up. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay in this position, and from this position we will work it with our legs. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that we'll working with our body and to move to this side. So 1 and 2 and 3. Good work. Take two legs together. Takes block and slowly take breathing pain and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe, and text me likes. So bye bye.